Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video, we have discussed about the worksheet of chapter number 9. Chapter name is The Climate of India, that is part 1. And in this video, we are going to discuss about answer the following question in one or two sentence, that is part 2. So, students, first of all, let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 9 because the whole chapter is depend upon the chapter number 9, chapter name The Climate of India. So student, as you saw in the earlier chapter, India is a land of diverse landform. Similarly, India is also a land of diverse climate. So student, in your previous chapter, you have studied about the different landform. India is a land of different landform, and in this chapter we are going to discuss about that India is a land of diverse climate. It means there are different climates in India. There are places in India that have bitterly cold climate. Some places have hot and dry climate, while still other have a hot and humid climate. So student, some places in India have hot and dry climate. Some places have bitterly cold climate, and still other have hot and humid climate. So student, there are different climate at every places. Every places, every regions have its own climates. So student, now let us discuss about the weather. Weather. It is a mix of events that happen each day in our atmosphere. Weather is different in different parts of the world and change over minute, hours, days and week. So student, weather change over a short span of time and weather don't remain stay for a long time. So student, weather change over a short span of time. Now we will discuss about the climate. It is the average weather in a place over many years. While the weathers can change in just a few hours, climate take 100,000 even millions of years to change. So student, climate is different from weather because when the weather remains stay for a long time, you can say it's a climate because weather can change in just a few hours, but climate take 100,000 even millions of years ago to change. Millions of years to change. So, student, the climate of a place is determined by various factors. First one is altitude, and second one is distance from the sea. Altitude or the height of a place above the sea level. Student, altitude or the height of a place above the sea level, and temperature and the height are inverse. There is an inverse relation between the temperature and height because when the temperature fall with increasing height. Next one is distance from the sea. So student, distance from the sea is the other factor that determine the climates. Wind from the sea ensure that the coastal area have a moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. So student, in our country there are different seasons. Summer season, monsoon, winter. Summer you can say the hot weather season. Monsoon you can say it's the rainy season, and the winter you can say it's a cold season. So student, now come on the exercise. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. Student, in this exercise, you have to give answer according to the given question and the answer should be in one or two sentences. Now look at the first question. What are the three major seasons of India? What are the three major seasons of India? So student, in this question you have to tell about the major seasons of India? Answer is there are three major seasons in India as follow. First one is summer season, you can say the hot weather season. Second one is winter season, you can say the cold season. Next one is monsoon season, you can say it's a rainy season. Now come on the next question. Why are the monsoon important for India? So student, why are the monsoon, you can say the rainy season, why are the rainy season or monsoon important for India? Your answer is monsoon are very important for India because farmers in most parts of India are depend on the monsoon for their year's supply of water. So student, because in most part of India the farmer depend upon the monsoon, depend upon the rain for the year's supply of water for the irrigation. So the monsoon is very important for India. Next, that is third one is name the parts of India that receive heavy rainfall. So student, in this question you have to tell about the parts of India that receive heavy rainfall. Your answer is Monisram in Meghalaya has recorded the highest rainfall in India. Next one is question number 4. Name the places that get snowfall during winter. Student, in this question you have to tell about the places that get snowfall during winter. Our answer is the mountainous parts of northern and northeastern India get snowfall during winter because the climates depend upon the altitude or height of a place above the sea level. So student, temperature fall with increasing heights. So when there is temperature fall, then there is a snowfall during winter. Next one is, that is last question. Places in coastal India experience very mild winter. Give a reason why. The student, why the coastal area have very mild winters, very low winters, and give a reason why. Your answer is places in coastal India experience very mild winters because of the moderating effect of the sea. Because of the moderating effect of the sea, because the coastal area have moderate temperature, neither too hot not too very cold. Coastal area have moderate climate, neither too hot not too very cold. So student, this is one reason why the coastal city have almost the same temperature throughout the year, neither too hot nor too cold. So the places in the coastal India experience very mild winters. So student, you have to done this questions in your CW copy of social study. That's all. Thank you.